How to option trade on Robinhood. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade option on Robinhood or how you can trade on Robinhood. So in order to place an option trade on Robinhood, first thing first, you'll have to log in. Also make sure that your account is verified. If your account is not verified, then you'll not be able to trade on Robinhood. Along with that, you need to make sure that you have enough funds or that you have enough coins. Now then, to begin with, first of all, you need to search the stocks or EFTs you'd like to trade option. So for that, go to your profile, and here you need to go ahead and select whether you want to go with the stocks, EFTs, options, or crypto. Select it accordingly, and with the help of a magnifying glass, look for the asset that you wish to trade on. Once you locate the asset, this is going to take you to the detail page. Here you need to go ahead and tap the trade button located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, next page you need to go ahead and select the trade option. Next page you'll be able to find multiple options, so go through the prompt whether you want to buy, sell, or cut or put, whatever you want to do it. So that's basically how you can place an option trade on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.